Hello everyone, this is Akshat Dua and I am an industrial engineer by profession and a budding entrepreneur. I graduated from Purdue University in the year 2011 and currently I am working for Caterpillar. Working for Caterpillar has been a phenomenal opportunity. Every day I get to learn hands-on from the world's finest engineers and managers. Together, every day I get to learn hands-on from the world's finest engineers and managers. Together, creating the world's finest environment. I'm working with a team of industrial engineers and mechanical engineers, working on building a virtual process ladder for assembly automation. Some of our major responsibilities are assisting Caterpillar production systems with quality audits, maintaining bill of materials for all current and new parts in SAP, for facility planning, performing daily corrective actions for root cause analysis and closure of quality rejects, validating bill of materials, reference bombs, leaky bombs for over and under consumption, bulk consumption, business operator instructions and operations, working on Six Sigma continuous process improvement projects to investigate, analyze various defects and grease that have occurred in the production. As a part of the advanced production quality planning, our team validates the processes and product design and specifications. We find areas of workflow improvement in the production process design, quality inspection standards, process capabilities, production capabilities. Working at Caterpillar, building SS has quintessentially transformed me from a guy who just graduated from the school. In the end, I would sincerely like to thank all my supervisors and mentors at Caterpillar. It's been an absolute pleasure getting into this. Thank you.